Twitter quote videos are getting millions of views every day, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even YouTube Shorts. A lot of these social media accounts have become full-on businesses to the point where some of them are even selling their own merch. In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple way to create an account like that and give you some tips to help you get as many views as possible. First, you need to understand that because these videos are relatively easy to make, there's a lot of accounts out there that are doing this exact same thing. But while no one can guarantee success, we believe that following the steps we're about to show you can definitely increase your chances of getting there. In our analysis, we realized that the most popular videos are actually a niche within a niche. Now, for the first step, you could easily go on Google to look up friendship quotes, but just copying those could cause you to run into some copyright issues. To create a quote that's not only unique but also has the potential to go viral, we went on Google and looked up the most famous quotes about friendship. Next, we went on ChatGPT and asked it to please analyze and understand these quotes. After inputting that prompt, we asked it to write a quote in the style you've just learned about concerning the friendship between a child and a dog. ChatGPT will respond back with a sample, and you can always ask it for more if you're not satisfied. So now that we have an original and appealing quote, it's time to create our video. In order to do that, you'll need your quote to appear in a Twitter screenshot which features your Twitter handle. This is obviously going to be the quote we just generated using ChatGPT. Save the screenshot and let's move on to the actual video editing. Here you should choose a vertical aspect ratio of 9:16. Now that we're in the editor, we can start putting together the actual video. A background video that conveys the same emotion as the tweet, and the soundtrack which reflects that emotion. We'll open the Flixier stock tab and search for dog and child since we want to find a video that's related to our tweet. We'll pick the one that conveys the strongest emotion, place it on the timeline and make sure it's framed well on the screen. Go to the library, click on Import, then My Device and select your screenshot. After importing it, we'll add it to the timeline and position it on the screen. To get the best framing, make sure to turn on all safe zones from this right side menu. Oftentimes in these videos, you'll see that the tweet is kind of transparent. Just select your image, go to the Effects tab on the right and reduce the opacity to about 75 or 80%. To achieve this, we'll select our video, then open the Effects tab again and raise the vignette slider to about 70%. Alright, we're almost at the end here. Now it's time to pick our background music. Unfortunately, this is something that you'll need to pick yourself since the tone of your music needs to match the tone of your tweet. You should also adjust the length of your clips. You can also use the text-to-speech option if you want your tweet to be read out loud in the video. We'll just export the video and in a few moments our video will be ready to share on any platform that supports vertical videos. Until next time, here's a tutorial on how to create Reddit story videos. Don't forget to hit the like button if you've enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, happy editing!